Congratulations, Nick, on becoming a man. We thought you might want to drive this for the weekend. Should we buy one?
I mean, it's pretty nice. Okay, so this is roof.
Oh.
Ooh, Lily, look.
Oh my gosh.
Holy cow.
Thank you to Wilsonville Toyota for lending me this Tundra, this amazing beast for the weekend. I feel like a man. Thank you for celebrating it. If you want to get a Toyota, you got to get it from Wilsonville Toyota because it's one person, one price, no bull. Heard here.